Now, do the Deputy National Commissioners account to or report to the Minister?
No, the Deputy National Commissioners report to the National Commissioner, and the National Commissioner reports, as the head of department, reports to the Minister.
Can the Deputy National Commissioner say, once a Minister has issued a directive, we are obliged to A, comply with it, B, implement it, notwithstanding what the National Commissioner says?
No, the Deputy National Commissioner does not have that power. And I am reminding you, Commissioner, that Section 199(6) of the Constitution says no member of a security services may comply with a manifestly illegal order. So the fact that it came from the Minister and it didn't fall within the purview of a Minister to give that order is already problematic. The correct approach would have been to report it to the National Commissioner and to say, I've received this order from the Minister and I'm reporting it to you to give direction on how to deal with the matter.